Hello and welcome to BrainBridge UPSC. I am Vaibhav Kulshrestha and this is answer writing program for Indian economy GS paper 3 and this is question number 7 for this series and the question is explain the changes in cropping pattern in India in the context of changes in consumption pattern and marketing conditions. So this question was asked in 2023. So if we talk about theme of this question, then it would be cropping pattern. It means in introduction part, in answer format, in introduction part, we will write about cropping pattern because it is a theme of this question. So what is the meaning of cropping pattern? We will write in introduction portion. Then in main body, we will write about main answer which is desired in this question, and question is the changes in cropping pattern. Okay, so first we will write about changes in cropping pattern in context of changes in consumption pattern. अब ये क्यों चेंज हुआ है? Because change in consumption और दूसरा है चेंज इन मार्केटिंग. चेंज इन मार्केटिंग कंडीशंस. इसके अलावा भी जो भी और सेवरल फैक्टर्स हैं विच आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर चेंजेस इन क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न, वो भी मैं यहां पर साथ में दे रहा हूं, अदरवाइज उसकी कोई नीड नहीं है. मेनली इन दो के बारे में पूछा गया है. देन इन कंक्लूजन पार्ट वी विल राइट अबाउट इट एंड वन मोर थिंग, इन मेन बॉडी वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट अबाउट द इम्पैक्ट एंड आज जो हमें सिनेरियो चेंज दिखाई देता है उसके बारे में भी हम लिख सकते हैं. इम्पैक्ट ऑफ क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न. सो फर्स्ट, क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न इन इंडिया has undergone significant changes in response to shift in consumption pattern and marketing conditions. Then we will write about various key factors which influence these changes. Changes in consumption pattern. First, rising income levels. लोगों की इनकम बढ़ गई है. Then उनके डिमांड भी चेंज हो गई है. So because of increased income levels, there is a shift in dietary preference from staple grains like rice and wheat to high value crops such as fruits, vegetables, dairy products, meat and poultry. Second is urbanization. Urban consumers have different food preference, including a higher demand for processed and ready to eat food, leading to increased cultivation of crops that serve as raw material for those products. तो अर्बनाइजेशन, वहां पर पिज्जा बर्गर ये सब चीजें खानी है तो उसकी डिमांड होगी, तो मींस उसके लिए रॉ मटेरियल प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा. देन हेल्थ अवेयरनेस. ग्रोइंग अवेयरनेस अबाउट न्यूट्रिशन एंड हेल्थ has led to higher demand for organic produces, pulses, millets and other health foods. This shift has prompted farmers to diversify from traditional cereals to those crops. तो जो सिटी में डिमांड होगी, मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरियाज में जो डिमांड है उसको फुलफिल करने के लिए फार्मर अपने क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न को चेंज करेगा. सेकेंड इज मार्केटिंग कंडीशन. Infrastructure development. Now there is improved infrastructure, including roads, cold storage, and food processing facilities, which has enabled farmers to grow and market perishable commodities. Perishable commodities means जो तुरंत खराब हो जाती है, सुबह लेके आओ शाम को खराब. Now we have refrigerators. तो अब हम उसकी शेल्फ लाइफ को थोड़ा सा बढ़ा सकते हैं, like fruits and vegetables. These are perishable commodities. Second, market liberalization. Liberalization policies and the establishment of market like APMC and ENAM, Electronic National Agriculture Market, have improved farmers' access to market, encouraging them to diversify their crops based on market demand. Third is contract farming. The rise of contract farming and agreement with agribusiness firms have led farmers to grow specific high value crops tailored to the need of food processing companies and exporters. So this is the change in cropping pattern due to marketing condition. Now the third, जो इसका पार्ट नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी मैं आपको प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं, पॉलिसी इंटरवेंशन, गवर्नमेंट सपोर्ट. Policies like MSP for various crops, subsidies for fertilizers, and schemes promoting the cultivation of pulses and oilseeds have influenced cropping pattern. Second, crop insurance and credit facilities. Improved crop insurance schemes and better access to credit have reduced the risk for farmers, encouraging them to diversify their crops. These are the पॉलिसी इंटरवेंशन जिससे क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न में चेंज हुआ. नाउ फोर्थ इज टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट, इरिगेशन फैसिलिटीज, वाटर मैनेजमेंट टेक्नोलॉजी. Enhanced irrigation facilities and water management practices have allowed farmers to grow a wider variety of crops, like water intensive one in previously rain fed areas. अब क्या है, ड्रिप इरिगेशन को हम यूज कर सकते हैं, माइक्रो इरिगेशन टेक्निक्स आ चुकी हैं, हाई यील्ड वैरायटीज. द डेवलपमेंट एंड एडॉप्शन ऑफ हाई यील्ड एंड डिसीज रेजिस्टेंट क्रॉप वैरायटीज हैव मेड इट feasible for farmers to switch to more profitable crops. So this is due to technological advancement. Fifth is due to export opportunities. ग्लोबल डिमांड को फुलफिल करना है तो उसके लिए चेंज हो रहा है. So increased global demand for certain agricultural products has prompted Indian farmers to grow export-oriented crops like spices, cotton, tea, coffee, and certain fruits and vegetables. So these are the five main causes जिसके कारण क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न में चेंज हुआ है. Now we can write about impact or also examples of cropping pattern change. फ्रॉम सीरियल्स टू हॉर्टिकल्चर. अब लोग सीरियल्स की जगह हॉर्टिकल्चर पे ज्यादा फोकस कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज इन हॉर्टिकल्चर देयर इज फ्रूट, वेजिटेबल्स, फ्लावर्स. वो तुरंत आप उसको कट करके विद इन 1 or 2 months के सीजन में आप उसको सेल कर सकते हैं और उससे अच्छा खासा पैसा मिल सकता है. सो ड्यू टू हायर प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी एंड ग्रोइंग मार्केट डिमांड, farmers are shifting from cereals to horticulture. Increase in pulse and oilseed production, government initiatives, and rising health consciousness have led to an increase in the area under pulses and oilseeds. Third, shift to cash crop. Farmers are increasingly cultivating cash crop like sugarcane, cotton, tobacco due to assured market and higher return. Fourth, diversification into floriculture and organic farming. There is a growing trend of diversification into floriculture and organic farming to cater to niche markets and export demand. So these are the examples of cropping pattern change. So वो हमको देखने को मिलता है. Now come to the conclusion part. These changes reflect the dynamic nature of Indian agriculture, driven by evolving consumer preference, market opportunities, policy support, and technological advancement. So this is the answer, this is the model answer of this question, except इसमें 2-3 पॉइंट को मैंने इंक्रीज किया है, लाइक पॉलिसी इंटरवेंशन, टेक्नोलॉजी एडवांसमेंट, एक्सपोर्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी. इन मॉडल आंसर you will write about changes in consumption pattern and marketing condition. Then you may shift or you may write about examples of cropping pattern change. तो उसमें थोड़ा सा एग्जाम्पल हो जाएगा. Then come to the conclusion part. That is all for today. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe BrainBridge UPSC. Thank you.